Hey guys, I'm Souza, Chief Stylist with Mercari, and today I'm going to teach you how to effectively clean out your closet. So first things first, grab everything. Everything in your closet, in your drawers, pull everything out. Let's get started. I'll meet you back here in a second. Once you pull out all those items, what you want to do is you want to start asking yourself different questions. So one of the first questions you would want to ask is, would I purchase this item again? So if the answer is yes, pop it back into your closet. If the answer is no, then you might want to either consider putting it in a trial separation pile if it's something that you're sort of on the fence about, or you can opt to sell it. Lastly, obviously you can always donate as well. But let's talk about the trial separation bin to start off with. So if you have some garments in your closet that you're just not sure whether you want to keep, and now that can range from maybe a leather jacket that someone in your family has worn, or even perhaps a purse that you don't really use, but you obviously keep it for sentimental sake. One of the best tips I've ever come across has been to create heirloom portraits. Now, what's an heirloom portrait? That's a portrait where you place all of your items. Now think about how you Instagram flat lay photos in the same way. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna put all those mementos all together to create a really beautiful photo that you can snap even with just your iPhone. The idea here is to preserve that memory, and actually that memory, once you print it and you post it on your wall, you're gonna be reminded of that person or that memory even more than if it was stuck in the bottom of your closet, right? So I love this tip, and it's a really easy tip. Even if you just keep it on your phone, it's just really great to be able to scroll through and just be reminded of those memories, but not have it take actual space in your house. Now let's talk about your sell bin. Pre-loved garments are really having their heyday right now because it's just become that much easier to sell and to buy. Now for shoes, a really good tip, we're all invited to different weddings. Maybe it's not a shoe that you're a big fan of to wear post-wedding, so why not run to the cobbler, have them put in a second sole. All of a sudden, when you're done using that shoe for that one night, you can take off that second sole and you can sell it for like new quality. So let's go back to the keep pile. These are the items that you want to keep in your closet. You love them. Again, keep what makes you happy, keep what fits. If it doesn't fit, just toss it. I have two tips for how to arrange denim. The first is you grab a shower hook, and all you do is you loop the back loop right onto the jean, and you can hang it in your closet just like this. The other tip I have is to roll your jeans. Now fold it in half, then you want to start rolling them. It almost looks like a little flower, I feel. And what you want to do is, whether you are going to be stacking it on the top shelf of your closet, that's one idea, or you can just put it in a drawer in your dresser. But the idea that I love, and I feel looks very reminiscent of how you would find denim in a boutique, is to sort of start moving in an ombre effect. So all your white jeans and your light blue jeans, your darker blue, and then your blacks, so that everything just looks really pretty and beautiful, and you feel inspired in the morning when you're going to get dressed. Another thing that I do for my closet personally is that I begin putting my clothes in sort of a beautiful gradation of colors. Now, one thing I love about this method is that every garment has a home. So if I were to take out this sweater, I would remove the sweater from the hanger, then I would put the hanger right back where it belongs. So that way I wear this, I wash it, then I can come back to the closet and I know exactly where it goes. Another way that I love to organize is to think about your drawer being one box, but then putting boxes within that box. That way everything is nice and separated, and if everything has a home, everything will end up going back into the home.